Hello, wonderful teachers. You must have been wishing for a more convenient and efficient way of computing students' grades. Well, here's the good news. We are glad to announce a new application software customarily designed for K-12 grading system, as per DepEd Order Number 8, Series of 2015. Although this can be done in Excel sheets, we designed a software that conforms to the standards and is more user-friendly. Its features and functions will surely suit your needs.
These are the features and functions of this application software as follows. The main menu page has 4 navigation toolbars called Tab Menu. It composes of Settings, Sheet and Controls, Prints and Reports, and the About page. Each navigation tab's menu consists of different functions. Under Settings, here you can edit class list section and learners' names. It is unlimited. You can export and import the class list to your colleagues, thus saving time and effort. One database serves all grading forms or templates. The Edit field has many functions and toolbars too. The next function under Settings is the Teacher Settings. Basically, this is where you input or edit your school profile and data. The rest of the function toolbars are deleting records individually or clearing all records simultaneously. Now, this part is the most wonderful part. The Backup Files button and the Restore or Upload buttons. This feature is very useful in terms of flexibility. You can resume your work anywhere using other computers, provided that the computer you are using has the same installed grading application. Back it up and save it to a secure location like USB, Google Drive or other storage devices. The next navigation tab menu is the Sheet and Controls. This is your main editing area for grading subjects created. It has customized function dedicated solely for your grading templates. Here, you can load or edit stored grading sheet. No need of opening numerous files like Excel sheets. No need to go check on many worksheet or page. Just point and click in 2 steps and there you go. You can import and export grading sheet as well. This is very useful when you are teaching a non-advisory class and subjects. There's no need for other colleagues to encode values and data manually. It takes only a few seconds and the data are included in your system. The Saving Files buttons has many options. You can choose to have an auto-save mode every 3 minutes. You can save it manually using Quick Save or utilize Save or Update Record to choose the location of storing files. This is very handy if you want to transfer the whole grading sheet to the next grading period, which is very useful for value referencing. Now, let's proceed to the third tab menu called Prints and Reports. This is where your printing and report processes are created. The first 2 toolbars are for the main grading templates. You can just select printing options here with many available printing options. The next toolbar is the Summary Report. In this section, you will find the quarterly reports for all subjects you wish to view and prints. It has also an added feature of calculating ranks and positions. Just follow the instructions laid out here and the usage is easy and a breeze. Another added feature here is the Graph and Pie Report. In this function, you will be able to determine the frequency and distribution of grade and percentage for learners with similar averages. Hence, you will be able to recognize the ratio and proportion of learners' ability brackets. Next is the Final Grade and General Averages. This button will bring you to another page. This page contains the printing options for the Final Grade and Averages template. In addition, Final Report button is for the summary reports of all grading quarters per subjects. In here just point and click the desired subjects and print should you wish to. Lastly, the individual report is another feature to further validate your graded computation. You can parallel check your data with the final grades and averages display for any single individual. In short, this is your physical grading card input values. The last tab menu bars is the Help button. In this section, you will find additional information and guidelines on the usage of this application. Instructional material are laid out here to be familiarized with this application. This grading application is patterned in accordance to DefEd guidelines. In pursuant to DefEd Order Series of 8/2015. This is a customized and fully consolidated non-Excel version software. We acknowledge the Department of Education as the sole authority in the whole educational process and by no means bypassing or imposing ideas that may contradict or violate educational issues or other matters. Nevertheless, this software adheres to the design, layout and pattern of the E-Class record released officially. At your discretion to utilize if you think it yields the same output and make things easier for you.
Extra edit features are included to give you more flexibility. Of course, all of these methods can be done in Excel. All you need to do is a bit of customization. However, we already made it for your convenience. Here are the following examples of extra features. In the main menu or radial menu are button icons. Each has its own functions. Example, item analysis. Using this would give you a good advantage and well laid out printout reports. In this demo, I will show how to use it. Select Item Analysis from the menu, click Create Record, then select the desired period, enter the number of items to be analyzed. Then, encode the required data or value for each subject once button. Now, all you have to do is print the desired report as shown in the following manner. You can print a tabulated or graph reports. Check on the video included in the file. The whole copy of installer and some information can be found through the download link included in this video. Please click the button on the lower right corner of the video screen that says Click Me to get this application.